Do you have a foam project you're trying to work on and you're just having a hard time removing the paper from the foam? Anytime you do, it just rips and tears and just comes right off. Well, guys, let me just show you an easy way. All you need is a bowl and water. That's it. And for this demonstration, I'm using a little piece of foam to fit in this bowl. But if you're using the full length piece of foam board, you could just use your bathtub and just do exactly what I'm doing here now. For this demonstration, I'm using gloves, but using your fingers, it's a little bit better because your fingerprint gives it a little grip. If you don't feel that this is working good, just go find something slightly abrasive. I really think this is the best way I have found to remove the paper. I've tried using a hair dryer and heating it and peeling it, but honestly, just using something abrasive will take it off just like that. And now you have a nice clean piece of foam you can make your crafts out of.